What's up, beautiful people? I'm Chef Lopez and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple Nando's rice. It's so easy to make. This is the exact same recipe they make in store. Before we go any further, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Chef Lopez, Instagram chef.lopez. I've also been putting loads of new stuff on my Instagram, doing food, selling takeaway food, so check it out, especially if you're from London. Like, share, comment, let's do it. Alright, let's take a quick look on the side. You'll see the ingredients list. It's very simple ingredients to make this. I know everyone's been missing Nando's lately, especially myself. We're going to be using tomatoes, peppers, chilies, turmeric, some cayenne pepper, paprika. We'll start off by dicing onions. You want to do it quite fine if you can. Then we'll start to dice the peppers again. So you want it roughly all the same size, so the peppers and the onions should be chopped roughly the same size. Don't matter if the peppers are slightly bigger. Crush your garlic. Get a hot pan, put some olive oil. You can also use some rapeseed oil or coconut oil if you like. It might give it a slightly different flavour, but it shouldn't change it too much. When your pan's hot, add your onions in, give it a good mix. You want the onions to cook down so it releases all the flavors basically. Add your garlic, add your rice, cook out the rice. So at this stage we start to cook out the rice for a good 3 minutes, let's say 3 to 5 minutes, till the rice starts to go slightly translucent. Add your salt. Then we're just going to continue to cook it till it becomes translucent, like I said. Now we're going to add our peppers, cook it all down. You want to now be cooking everything at a medium heat so you don't burn anything. We've added our chili, so I've added half a chili. You can add a whole chili if you like. Half a tin of chopped tomatoes. And once again, this is the actual Nando's recipe. So I haven't made this up, this is their recipe. It's very tasty and it's very simple to make. So please have fun with it. Now we add our cold water. It's very important for it to be cold, don't add warm water. Now we add our turmeric, paprika and our cayenne pepper. Now we're pretty much just going to let it cook. We're going to add the lid, turn the heat down a bit, and we're just going to let it cook slowly. And this is basically the end result. Super tasty. Look at the flavour in that. You can just see it by looking at it. Imagine what it smells and tastes like. Give it a good mix to fluff out the rice. And ready to dish. You can also leave it to rest for a while longer. Normally when I make rice, I leave it to rest for 20 minutes. By resting it helps it to cook all the way through. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'm Chef Lopez. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, this dish goes perfectly with the spatchcock chicken and roast potatoes with garlic aioli I posted last week. Subscribe to my channel at Chef Lopez, Instagram chef.lopez. Like, share, comment. Thank you very much and I'll see you soon.